Hello, viewers. Today I'm gonna talk about how to earn thousands of dollars per month just by copy and pasting. You don't need any microphone or camera. So, without wasting time, let's start. We need just three things to complete a video making. The first one we need is video clips, and the second one is background music, and last but not the least is a video editor to combine these clips and background musics. Let's see how we can collect all these things totally free. To collect video clips, go to your browser and search pixels.com. This is a website that provides thousands of pictures and videos totally free. You don't have to think about copyright. All of them are free for commercial use. Then search for your preferred video clips. I would like to make videos of cute pets. So I'm searching it. There is lots of cute animals, pictures and videos. So I will download some of them. Here is a huge collection of pets videos. Let's download some of them. To download the video, you don't need to create an account. Just choose your preferred video quality and click on the download button. And your video will be downloaded automatically. Now download 5 to 10 clips to complete the video. Try to choose more beautiful clips. After downloading video clips, we need the background music. For background music, we will use YouTube audio library. So go to your browser and search for m.youtube.com and use the YouTube in desktop mode. After that, click on the top right corner and click YouTube Studio. Then click on the lower left icon, that is audio library. Here you will find lots of background musics. All of them are copyright free. You can use any of them. So choose a audio and download the audio. You can also filter these musics. I'm selecting cinematic audio. This audio sounds good, so I'll download this. Just click on the download button and the download will start automatically. Now our video clips and background musics are ready. So we need a video editing software. For video editing, we will use Kinemaster Pro. I'll put the link on the description below. I think this is the best editor for Android phones. Click on the create new icon and choose the 16:9 ratio. Then choose your video that you have downloaded. Now add the background music you have downloaded from YouTube audio library. Now our video is ready. Export the video. After exporting, your video is ready to upload in the YouTube. Making videos in this way, you can earn a lot after monetization. For people who are very lazy, there is a much more easier way. Choose a demandable category and search in the YouTube. See, these videos have very much views, 74 million, 12 million, 11 million. So you can choose this category. Then go on filters and Creative Commons. The videos which have Creative Commons license, you can reuse them. You won't get any copyright claims. So you can simply download these videos and upload in your channel. See here, reuse allowed. So we'll copy the link of this video. Now go to your browser and search for savefrom.net. This is a YouTube video downloader. Paste the link here. Now you can download the video. Now click on the download button and your video will start downloading. After downloading, you can re-upload the video in your channel. In this way, your channel will be monetized very soon and you can earn a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for latest updates.